What's up guys, Matt and Laura, and I want to introduce you to Phoenix and a little new series I want to put out on my channel now called He for She. And basically it's going to be teaching you guys at home, dads, boyfriends, girlfriends, anybody, how to do quick, short, little easy things on your loved one's hair. So this will be our first episode, so let's roll that intro. Okay guys, here's the back of my daughter's head, and today I want to show you very quick, easy tips on how to brush your wife/girlfriend's hair. A, not only does brushing your wife's hair feel amazing, but B, it's just really nice to be able to detangle her hair for her when she's a very busy now mom. So, first step is use a little bit of a detangling spray, and I like to spray it right on the brush, which is kind of nice because then you don't have to worry about overloading product in your wife's hair wrongly. We're guys, we don't know how to put product into the hair, just put it on the brush, it's foolproof. Then, when you brush your wife or girlfriend's hair, you always start at the bottom. So very gently start detangling her hair, and as you can see, the bottom is now very nice, and you can kind of walk the brush up. Okay, maybe I brush your hair. Okay, so as you are walking the brush up the hair, you are then finished with that section. So then you can go into the back of the head if you want. You still start at the bottom, babe, turn your head. So you still start at the bottom. As you can see, Laura's hair is getting very curly after her, after having a baby. I think she's actually got curly hair now, so it gets much more tangled. So I like to start at the bottom, work her little curls out, and then start at the bottom here and work her little curls out. And guys, this is just a great thing to do at any time of the day, honestly. I mean, just to get your hair brushed. I mean, Laura, you can speak for this, but it just feels...
It's nice to have your hair brushed by someone else, providing they know how to do it the right way.
Right, hence the video. All right, another tip is when you brush the hair, try not to engage too much of the hair, meaning that this brush has a lot of bristles. If I wanted to get all of these bristles into her hair, it's too much tension and it's gonna pull on Laura's hair. So when we brush, we wanna use this outward sweeping motion, not an inward engaging motion. So I sort of sweep the brush out as opposed to brush the hair in. So I don't brush into the hair, I actually brush out the hair, which is why the term brushing out is more of a term than I'm gonna go brush in her hair. You always go brush out her hair. Do you know that, Laura?
No, just...
Yeah, mind blown. Okay, and quick and easy pro tip for you actual hairdressers out there. If you want to get to become professional detanglers, the brush has lots of different rows here, right? So if you actually only use the last 3 rows of the brush to detangle, so I'm going to come in and only touch the hair with these last 3 rows, you're going to detangle hair instantly. So I can almost completely in one swipe, if I use just the back 3 rows, I can almost go root to end and completely detangle hair because you're not creating tension. So every time you hit a snag, the snag is only being snagged by 3 rows of the brush, which then allows the snag to loosen, as opposed to the snag being hit by the entire brush and the snag closes up and tightens. And that's how you create knots. All right guys, that's it. First little video with Phoenix. I hope this little introduction to hair brushing has worked out well. Girls, send this to your boyfriends. Tell them to start brushing your hair. And remember, this is the only place you want to get your hair matted. Thank you, my little time bomb. You did it. You're in a video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe, send to your mom, all that stuff.